Another quick update. TerrysBlu-rayCollection, just a couple of things that arrived in the post today. This is the Lawnmower Man Collection. There's only two of them. Quite a thick box though, from 101 Films or Media, whatever they're called. Nice thick box. There you go. That's the back of it. And then also got Shrek Forever After. There you go. Lovely looking steelbook. Oh, it fell. Damaged? No, it's not damaged. Even the back of it's gorgeous. Gonna go along with me other Shrek steelbooks. I've got Shrek 2. This again looks lovely. Sorry about the glare. And then Shrek the 3rd. I didn't bother getting the steelbook of the first Shrek film because I don't like the artwork on it. It looks terrible, boring. Well, that's a quick update. As I said, again, Mutation Blue. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Add a comment as well. Bye.